what's up? Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel Ubuntu, and this is Soumyasri Edreshwarapu, and today this is a real talk Monday. So what does it mean? So I would like I will be sharing all the things, whatever the things I like and whatever the things I have learned, I'll be sharing with you. So today I would like to share about my favorite things, books. Right, so it's very simple, guys. You know how I started reading, till my 12th standard I used to read a lot. I used to be very much focused on my curriculum and books and all those things. I used to read, that studious girl I was. But later on what happened was, in my graduation, I was, most of the times I used to go to the library with bunch of my friends, very favorite friends of mine. So we used to go there and read different kinds of genres, different books. I used to read like anything. The reason how I started is because of this person, Chetan Bhagat, and I read a lot of his books like anything. I used to buy, 3 Mistakes of My Life or Revolution 2020, Half Girlfriend. I think these all came as movies also. But I read those before the movies. Those are, that was the starting point of me reading different books. But before that I used to, buy this kind of books. This is electronics and communication. I'm an electronics engineer. So I used to, buy this kind of books to get extra marks. Do you believe that? I was literally like that. But later I read different books like, Ravinder Singh. These are love stories. Me and my friend, we used to read these books like anything. And later comes this Fault in Our Stars. I read this book before the movie, and it's the best one. Best book ever. And my favorite books are this Stranger Trilogy. And I literally waited this book, third book of the series, for this signature. I was literally so desperate to get this book online. I pre-ordered this book and wanted to get the signed copy only. So that's crazy I am. That's how I used to read the books. And at that time, whatever the pocket money that I used to have, I used to spend on all the books. A lot of books, whatever it is. If I read it or not, that book should be on my cupboard in the closet. That's how I used to be in my BTech days, like that. Later comes this book, Panchatantra. I love these books like anything. Little animals, and they will teach us literally very good lessons for our life. And I completed my graduation, and then I literally bought a lot of books, lot of books on Amazon. I literally used Amazon only for books in my graduation. Later, my kind of books, whatever I used to read, got changed, and then I read book, it's called Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I think most of you might be knowing. This is a wonderful book which I have ever read in my life. This is the next path to my career. So that's how I read this book. I gifted this book to my mama, so that's why it is in Telugu. So this one thing, and how to influence people. This is a very wonderful book. And even if you see The Alchemist, or The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, or The Think and Grow Rich book, this is a very good book. You should be reading these books. And The Alchemist, this is a different book where you can learn different things from this book. Even it is about a life in a normal shepherd boy and in a Spanish province. It's a very good book. You should be reading it. And here comes my favorite book, Secret. Yeah, this book is like magic. You should be reading this book and apply it. And if we apply it on our lives, that's a wonderful thing. And this 5am club, I have started this 5am club also right now. Whoever are interested, you can join the group. You can ping me, and I'll just be sharing the link. And the Chicken Soup for the Soul. This is the best book for being positive. I read The Power of Positive, but you can actually watch, a lot of series of books. You can actually get it in Chicken Soup for the Soul. So these are the different books I used to read in my BTech days. I used to read in my graduation, childhood, and all these things. But nowadays I'm reading different kinds of books, and these are the best one. Reading is like, you exploring different kinds of worlds, different kinds of worlds. You exploring, you are going over there. I literally felt there when I was reading these thrillers, right? I was literally into the books like anything. Those are the best ones. and you should be also reading and gain a lot of knowledge, and it's just fun reading the books. For the people who are not avid readers also, you can also start reading books. As this is different world, it's like traveling. Moreover, it's like a great thing ahead, and let's start reading up and have a fantastic day ahead, have a fantastic week ahead, and then keep on rocking, guys, and stay tuned for the next video, and keep rocking, and thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe my channel Ubuntu. Thank you.